Hello, my name is Vinay Kumar and today we will talk about a beautiful feature of WebLogic, how to create recording and generate the script for that. So this is my WebLogic admin console and I will go click on the home page and here we have a preferences. We will click on the preferences here and here we have a tab called WLST script recording. If we go into that, here we can have the directory in which we want to store the script which is automatically created by the WebLogic. So I will name as make machine. So I'm going to create a machine here for the Unix and we are going to record that and there would be a script generated by the WebLogic. So I will click here save. Okay. And here we have the user preferences, shape preferences and extension and in the control tab we will go to that and I will say start recording. Okay, so now I will go to the environment, go to the machine and I'm going to click on the machine. So I'm going to create a machine here. I will name machine as Unix machine 2. Here we can select the machine OS if it is Unix, virtual or other. So in my case the OS is Unix, so I will select Unix here and it's Unix. Here we can give as a type as SSL plain, but I will make it as SSL. We can give the listen address, maybe for the timing I'm giving bank, and this is the listen port. We can give any port, but as of now we are keeping it to 5556. And these are the properties. We can also some additional properties which we can configure later, but I will not touch now. But if you want to create a machine which you want to debug, you should check this checkbox. So click here to finish. I will click here finish, and that's it. So if you see, we are able to see a Unix machine here, that is Unix machine 2. And now we will go back to the WLST script recording and we will say stop recording. Alright, so now we have a script generated, that is of a Python script we have generated, in which we are start edit and we are changing the drive, then we are calling C create Unix machine and Unix machine 2 and activate and then start edit and so on. Okay, this is so whenever you are performing some action or you want to automate things in WebLogic, so if something you are doing from WebLogic console and you want to do automatic, it happens through some script, so you should use this feature. You just need to go to the WLST script recording and start recording. And when you're done with your process, just go and stop recording. Script will be generated automatically, and you can use the script to do things. And then you don't need to come to the WebLogic console. You just need to execute this script, Python script, and the task will be accomplished automatically. Okay, so I'm going to create here some server here. I will go to the server, and we already have some manage server. We have some admin server. So I'm going to create a manage server again here. I will go to but before that we will again use some WLST script recording, and I will do start recording. So it will blank now. So we will go to servers, and here I will click new. And I will say new manage server. I will leave the listen address blank. Port we can give 8894. If you want to attach the server to some clusters, you should select this. And if it is a standalone server, you are not having a clustering environment, then you should not select and just select. Now this is a standalone server. Click next, and this is, you can review your choices. There is the server name, server port, and click on finish. And a new managed server has been created. But now I will go to this managed server and assign the server a machine. So I will go and I will select as okay. We will selecting Unix machine 2, and I will click save, and then we go back to servers. And now we can see the new managed server has been created, and we have assigned the Unix machine 2 to this, and current status is shut down. We can also start server managed servers to control tab, but I have shown this in another video. Please check that video. So I will go back to the WLST script recording, and I will say stop recording. And if you can see, we are able to generate some scripts. Server activate, and here we are defining a new managed server, and here we are assigning a machine to that, and then we are creating the data source, JDBC security, and then activate. That's it. And similarly, if you want to do some other action, you can again do the start recording, get the script, and so on. And when you are writing, when you want to use some interactive WST script, you should write. You can get these names from the user. User will execute that script. User will run, or user will give the new managed server name, and you will pass as a parameter, and you will execute the script, and the new managed server will be created. I will show in another video. But as of now, thanks for watching. Bye.